Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check voltage, connector type, and any polarity markings so you avoid overloading. Once done, unplug power and lay strings flat on a dry surface. Make the first physical connection by aligning male to female ends. Press until you hear a click or feel resistance. You're doing this to ensure secure contact and prevent voltage drop. Then, briefly power on to test that the first string lights up before adding more. This saves time and isolates faults early. Once the first string is confirmed working, add the next lengths one at a time. Connect male to female ends firmly, and use rated extension cables or inline connectors when the plug types differ. Make sure you do not exceed the manufacturer's maximum chain limit. This prevents overheating and dimming. Support the joined area with zip ties or clips so the connector isn't carrying weight. If you have dim sections, swap the order or shorten runs to balance voltage and brightness across the chain. You finish by powering the entire setup and watching for flicker, uneven brightness, or warm joints. These signal problems. If you see issues, turn power off and recheck each connection, confirming polarity and that the total wattage does not exceed the supply rating. Once corrected, secure cables and use weatherproof covers for outdoor plugs. Troubleshooting tip: if lights flicker, isolate by testing one string at a time to find the faulty segment. Then replace or rewire that segment before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.